This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marianne Stewart. Size is 12 by 11 by 45. Not on the top level. Call ahead for launchings. The staff will supply whatever you need for your voyage. Flushing of the engines, cleaning of boats, sandwiches from the deli, etc. Set up your private parties on the 4th level of the clubhouse. The restaurant and lounge are open for business. Great new menu. The slip is being rented through September for $725 a month. For more information, review the details below or contact Marianne Stewart at 239-472-0176.